Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious peanut butter and chocolate bark today. These are the ingredients that we need for it. We start off by adding our peanut butter into a bowl. I used about 1 cup of peanut butter here. Next up is grinded flaxseed. You also add 1/4 cup of honey. If you don't have honey, you can use maple syrup. Next up is vanilla extract. Mix everything together until well blended. Just try to get rid of big clumps. Once the peanut butter is creamy, add your oats. Start mixing everything until well blended. If you want a much creamier consistency, add another 1/3 cup of peanut butter to the mixture. Once well blended, it's time to transfer the oats batter onto a flat tray. Take a spatula or spoon, or whatever tool you might have handy. Start spreading the batter to flatten the surface slightly. Make sure most parts of the surface are covered. Once you are done flattening the mixture, set it aside. It's now time to make the chocolate layer that will go on top of the oats mixture. Start off by heating oil in a pan. I am using olive oil because it is healthier than some other oils. Pour 1 cup of chocolate chip into the pan. Start mixing the chocolate. Stir the chocolate constantly to avoid clamps. Next, add milk to smooth the melting chocolate mixture. Keep stirring the chocolate until it's completely smooth. Once you make sure there's no clamps in the chocolate, it's now time to pour the chocolate over the oats. Pour the chocolate batter and start spreading it. I am using the spatula to spread the chocolate layer all over the oats. Once the layer is well coated, I will leave it into the fridge for 2 hours at least to let the chocolate harden. It's been 2 hours. The chocolate oats bar is cool and ready to serve. Look at how nice our chocolate oats is. This is a perfect, healthy snack. You can make your healthy snack at home with no sugar added. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please feel free to leave me feedback below about whether or not this recipe worked out great for yourself and share any tips and tricks that helped along the way. Have fun experimenting with different variations. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.